Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert inverse function in Word using the equation editor and math symbols. This is perfect for students, teachers, researchers, and anyone creating math documents, assignment, or scientific reports. If you want to type mathematical expressions like inverse, trigonometric functions, or function inverse professionally, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's get started. At first I open the document, then go to the insert menu, click the equation drop down menu, and we can see here many equation. Now I am click the blank equation option, and here many equation like the function, script, radical, integral, large operator, bracket function, ascent, limit and log, operator, matrix. You can add any. Now I am select the function and make the inverse function. We can see here the inverse function. Here you can type anything, otherwise you can make another like the bracket or the sign, etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.